Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to check for strikes in TikTok. TikTok enforces its community guidelines through a system of strikes to address violation. To check for these strikes in TikTok, first you have to tap open your application or visit the official website tiktok.com. Then make sure that you are logged in. Now tap on your profile icon on your bottom right. Tap on the three horizontal lights on the top right. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and then tap on Support. Under Support, tap on Safety Center. Now tap on Account Status. And here it says that this account is in good standing. That means I have no strikes currently, but if you have, it would be shown here. And that is how you check for strikes in TikTok. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.